me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me.
Why hello. Why hello. Come on in. Welcome to my dorm room, MTV style. So I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this. I'm gonna start right here in the little corner at the entrance. Here's my door. Let me lock my door. I always feel like the need to lock my door just for safety. And then I have a full fridge. I know that's ridiculous. I remember telling my dad that move-in day, but it's actually useful. I'm broke right now, so I don't really have anything in there. And then here's my fridge full of nothing. I have 2 wings left in that Domino's box. I am struggling, but I'm going home in 2 days for Thanksgiving break, so I'm just gonna deal with it. And then there's my baby, Christian. Every time people see me, that's exactly what they sing whenever I have that bag. I just had to. But I installed LED lights all over my room. And then here we are. Look at that. Oh, I love my room so much. So first we have this little cube shelf drawer setup. I got this from Bath and Body Works when they had their sale. And I got these shelves from Walmart. It was about $30. No more than 40. I know it was 30 something dollars, close to 20. And I got these cubes from Walmart as well, but you can also get them from Target. And I did not want that actually, but it was the only thing they had left and it made sense instead of getting like a bright color. Here are my earrings, match my ring. And then here's my TV that I begged my dad like hell for. I just put this on for the aesthetics of the video. And then here's my candles. I usually have more candles in this, but I'm going through the broke college phase right now. So yeah, this is my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works. It's the pumpkin pecan waffle. Oh my gosh, please guys, get it. And then here is a new scent I recently got. I got one for my room in the living room. It's buttered popcorn. It's okay. It's okay, that's all I have to say. Then I have my rosaries here. I have 3 rosaries all around my room. And then here's my new hat collection. I started collecting hats when I got to college. You know, I be feeling like a little pimp or whatever. You know, I be feeling real cute or whatever. But yeah, I be feeling like I still a nigga. You know what? Let me stop. Here is my window. We're not allowed to screw anything in the walls. But the first 2 months of school, I was struggling because I had command hooks. And it was so annoying because my curtain would keep on falling and keep on falling. So I just texted my brother, like, come over and fix this, please. So I'm just gonna fix the holes when this move out. I mean, I live at an apartment off campus, so we don't have people to come and check our room like a regular college dorm would. Then I have a plant with my rosary. And then in my shelves, this just has junk. And then my LED lights remote. This has all my medicine. This junk, remote, lighter, scarves, an old wig. Like, I really just be stuffing stuff in here. Extra stuff. Okay, extra stuff. So now we're gonna move over here. So I got this pumpkin in Ross. So cute. It was only like $12-15. And then I got these really nice quality curtains from, what was it? Marshall's. I think it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx, whichever one, but it's so nice, y'all. Like, it's so heavy, nice quality. I also got the rods from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, wherever we got it. I got this hanging plant from Ross. My mother gave me my rosary. Yeah, I have this mirror from home. Y'all can see me. I got this from home. And I got these lights on my mirror from Amazon. It was about $20. It's okay. It changes colors, which I think is pretty cute, but I'm not gonna touch that right now because I don't know how to change it back. And so now we're gonna move on to my bed. Oh, I love my bed. I love my bed. I love my bed. This bed has gone through a lot because originally moving in, we have these ugly bed frames that come in all the apartment rooms, and I wasn't going for it. So I took it off and I made my own headboard. And My headboard is made out of styrofoam, cardboard. I got these jewels from Amazon. This is literally a bedspread, the white part. And yeah, you can just look up DIY headboard on YouTube and you'll find it. And so now I got all my bedding from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I don't know the difference. I doubt there's a difference. I got this one pillow from Target, and I got this throw blanket from Marshalls. I know that. I got this from Target, this knit one, and I also got this white one from Target as well. This is my favorite blanket so far. I love the color. It goes so well with the fall season. And underneath our bed is the 4 storage bins with storage drawers. I just have my underwear, sweatpants, and sweat jackets, really, hoodies. What else? Here is all my home clothes, and then underneath there's my work clothes. And so here is the mirror. Cute. These pants always slide down, but here's my mirror. I'm about to go to class after this. Well, not class, Starbucks, but here's my mirror. That's one of the reasons I traded this room with my other roommate, because I wanted a mirror. Mirrors just make your room feel so much bigger. And then over here on this wall is my picture frame that I've never filled in, and I kept on saying I was gonna fill it in, but I got these cute little butterflies from Dollar Tree, and I just put it all on the edge. And so here is my book bag. I never use it. I have my lab goggles, hand sanitizer, lip balm. Then I got this cute purse from Amazon. And the only reason I have this purse is because I was so tired of people making fun of me my Decor bag, because I just felt so extra. So I carry this now. And then I have my other rosary, my 3rd rosary right here. I got this cute little hooks. I got that from Marshalls. No, I think it was TJ Maxx, y'all. It's TJ Maxx. I got it from TJ Maxx. I got the picture frame from Walmart. And then here is my desk. We'll just start off at the bottom. So I got my rug from Amazon. The desk came with the school. I got this from Ross like 2 years ago. That's a mug from Walmart. These brushes are from Walmart, gifted to me right here. I got this plant from Ross. It's the same plant as that one right over there, but I had broke the vase, so I decided to wrap twine around it, and I got a new product. So yeah, and then there is my Jaclyn Hill palette. I have my other Morphe palette right behind it, but the Jaclyn Hill one is cuter. I got this light from Amazon. It was only like $50. Then more candles. I have a Yankee candle, a Bath and Body Works candle. And then if y'all drink boba, you know where these light bulbs are from. But over the summer, when I would work at the mall, there was always a boba store. So I would always go there, get the drinks, and I decided to save it and make a nifty craft out of it. The succulents are from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glued it on top. So cute. And then here we have my shelf. I'm pretty sure I got this from Ross like 3 years ago. I literally just keep extra lashes, clips, necklaces, you name it in there. Broken Fenty highlight. And then here is this box is from my bathroom set. And I decided to glue my flowers on top of it, and it just looks so cute. And then I have these 3 candles from Marshalls. I have this plant right up here. I'm pretty sure it was from Ross. Then I have my wig head I got from the beauty supply. I got this plant right here, pretty sure it's from Ross. And then ignore those 2 things. What else? So cute. So we're gonna do a little turnaround real quick. I mean, I think it's pretty big for a regular dorm room, so I'm really grateful for it. And then here is my mirror, my closet. This is the cleanest it'll ever get. It's usually even worse, but I got this from Amazon. All my clothes, and then over here is more clothes. These are all my jackets and stuff. Those are all my home clothes, but I'm too lazy to stuff into the shelves on my bed. And then that's where I keep all my toilet paper and paper towels. And my bathroom, here's my bathroom. I think it's pretty nifty and cute. So let's do a quick little tour. I really hate the bathroom. So the reason I hate the bathroom is because of this loud noise. Like, okay, so when you turn the light on in our bathroom, the fan automatically turns on. It's not like a regular place where you can decide what you want to turn on. It's not, but it's whatever. So I never fill this up. I either keep my hot comb in here when I'm doing my hair or my flat iron. Basically, I just hold my hot tools in here. This is a peppermint candle from Bath and Body Works. Oh, this marble set was from Amazon. Soap, toothbrush, Glam Glow face mask. I got this little thing, this holder from Marshall's. So cheap, it was only $3.99. I was about to get it on Amazon for $10, so that was a steal. Then I got this soap. This saves your bar soaps to last longer. This was from Dollar Tree, and then the set from Amazon. And then the shelving system was from Walmart, and it just helps a lot because I just have a lot of stuff in the bathroom. Yeah, it's not really as organized as it used to be. Creams, hair ties, lots of face creams, hair stuff, miscellaneous stuff, and hot tools. And then here's my towels and face cloths. Then I mostly use toilet wipes. And then here's all my dirty clothes. My scrubs are on the first shelf. I bought this system from TJ Maxx. It's pretty cute. No, Walmart. I got this from Walmart. But the first shelf is all my body scrubs, face scrubs, bar of soap, my Nigerian sponge, shaver, body scrub, body wash, shea butter, and then all my hair stuff. And I'm washing my extensions on the bottom. So that's about it, guys. This is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun filming this, even though it's so short. But I've just been wanting to do this for so long, but every time my room is clean, I never do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.